Hi students, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Knowledge Institute YouTube channel. This is Mudassar. Today I'm your teacher. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Zoom cloud meeting software in your laptop, in your computer, in your Windows 10, 11, Windows 8 or Windows 7. so this is very a quick and advanced level or easier method of finding actual or exact link of Zoom cloud meeting software. I found that most of the people, most of students, most of even teachers, most of the users, uh, they do not found actual or exact or real link of Zoom. They are unable to download. Sometimes they are unable to download. They are unable to find uh, the Zoom software. So without doing any late, let's start. First of all, just open your Chrome browser. You can use any browser, no problem at all. Okay, type in here Zoom. Okay, simple. Type in here Zoom. So after uh, type in here, you can see this link zoom.us. Okay, zoom.us. So this is the actual website from where we can download the Zoom link. Here there are a lot of other websites also uh, uploaded or providing this same software, but we have to go to zoom.us software link. Okay, this website, just click here. Here, one platform to connect. You can see their tagline. Okay, so this is the official website. So from here we have a lot of things. We have plans and pricing. Sign up is free, and uh, other website things. So just simple, don't do anything with these. Okay, just simple scroll down more, scroll down, and here you can see the footer or the bottom side of this website. Okay, so we have to come to this portion. After this, we have here a download menu. Okay, download options menu. Okay, so we have many options, meeting client, other Zoom cloud, something like this. So we need this one, meeting client. Okay, but we need a Zoom software for meetings, for online classes or online meetings. Okay, for Zoom desktop, we have a Zoom desktop, Zoom plugin, Zoom other plugin for IBM notes, Zoom extensions, mobile apps, and conference rooms, and blah blah blah. So just scroll up, and we need to go to this first one option. Okay, we need Zoom for desktop. So it is being downloaded. Let it be downloaded. Okay, let me zoom into it and show you clearly that it is only 57.5 MB software. Okay, so 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it is downloaded. So after being downloaded, the Zoom installer, click once here on the name of the software from this download menu. Okay, uh, here the Zoom installer is running, and Zoom is being installed in my laptop. Okay, okay, the Zoom has been installed. You can see you can create new meetings, join meetings, schedule meetings, and you can even share your screen without creating a meeting. Okay, so here is my local time. So yeah, here it is. It was very easy. I hope you have found this tutorial very informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and leave a good comment in the comment box. Hope uh, hope good for you, and goodbye.